2011 Chevy Suburban Z71. Really beautiful car, 5.3. Got some fat wheels on it, some 26s. Look at them. Really pretty. Anyways, what we got done on it for you guys. Factory converters there, and the dreaded third cat there. We did a mid muffler delete with 3-inch pipe. Did a rear resonator delete and put a 5-inch fat tip. There's the resonator, there's the muffler we cut off. As you guys can see right there. There it is. That's what it looks like. Like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content and sound. Let us know what you guys think about it in the comments. There we go. Chevy Suburban Z71. There's sound decibels. Again. Right at 111. That's perfect. There's a muffler resonator we cut off right there. What do you guys think? Let us know. Let's hear on the inside. Chevy Suburban muffler resonator delete 5-inch tip. Came out sounded phenomenal. I like it. I've always loved the body styles on these. Them and the newer ones, but the newest ones, they're still growing on me. It's perfect with the 26s too.